Good morning, children. Welcome to the class. So, children, today we'll do revision of chapter number 7, Computer Ethics, Crime and Security. Now, come to the extra question. These extra questions you have to write in your notebook also. Uh, Name the symbol of copyright. So, under the circle C, it is the symbol of copyright. Which rule or method say that what is right and what is wrong? Rule is ethic. Name the people who were involved in computer crime. Hackers, crackers, virus programmer, and breaches. Who involves in computer virus and password cracking, software and breaches. Then what is the computer security? Computer security includes procedure and techniques that are designed to protect a computer from accidental or intentional theft, unauthorized access or manipulation. So, computer security means it is a technique to design to protect our computer from any accidental or intentional theft or unauthorized access or manipulation. Means if you are putting our computer in a secured form in security, so there will be a very less chance to take all the means to break the security or take all the documents from our computer. Then what is referencing? It is unlawful and unethical to use them without the permission of the owner. If some material is downloaded and used, you must acknowledge the author sincerely. This is called referencing. Then what is computer crime? Computer crimes result from the deliberate tampering with data and information. What is privacy? Privacy means user does not allow to view or access one's computer data or information. This can be by using some password to save their computer from others' view. Welcome to the multiple choice question. Fill up our belief and rules stating what is right, what is wrong. The answer is ethics. Copyright means all right, reserve. Acknowledging the other for downloading and using the material is called referencing. This sign is the symbol of copyright. Pirated software may contain viruses. Which of the following is not a computer security? Here, copyright. When someone copies software without the appropriate license for each copy, it is called end user piracy. Now come to the fill in the blanks. Software piracy is the illegal reproduction and distribution of software. Computer security includes the procedure and techniques that are designed to protect the computer system. It is unethical to infringe the privacy of other people without their consent. Now come to the quiz. Give two examples of computer crime, hackers and crackers. Name the different form of software piracy, counterfeiting piracy, end user piracy, online auction piracy, internet piracy, and pre installed software piracy. So, here, if quiz will come, then according to number, you have to write the answer. All the 6 piracies given here. Very short question answer. What are the limitations of a pirated software? Some of the limitations of pirated software are no warranty protection and can contain viruses. What does a copyright symbol indicate? It means all right reserved. This symbol shows the material to be the sole property of the owner. It is unlawful and unethical to use them without the permission of the owner. So if you are having your own property, so you are the owner of that property, and then without your permission the other will not supposed to take your property, and if they take, then it is unlawful and unethical to use without your permissions. So you will be the owner and you are having all right reserved, means you are having the rights to give the permission to take your own property. Then define the term ethics. Ethics are belief and rules. These rules state what is right and what is wrong. So student, next class will discuss short question answers and long. Thank you.